talk about a little bit about the programs which Webster has to offer to the students?
Absolutely. So Webster is popular for offering the dynamic programs. We offer more than 120 globally recognized programs for undergrad and masters. So we have a lot of programs like BS Computer Science,
Mm-hmm.
BS Chemistry, BS Biology. We have programs related to management. We have programs related to healthcare management. I have seen a lot of growth from the students going into the program like gaming and designing. We also
Mm-hmm.
have very good STEM designated programs like BS Biological Sciences, emphasis in research and technology, BS Biological Sciences in health and medicine. So BA Animation is very, very popular among students. BA Criminology and Criminal Justice is again very popular. Coming to a few more courses like film studies, human resource, all these are offered for undergrad student. Journalism is very, very popular. International business, BA Media Studies is also very popular amongst BA Music. We have BA Photography and Visual Communication, BA Psychology, BA Sports Communication is very, very popular. So all these are programs. We have wide range and wide list of programs that is offered by Webster for undergrad.